Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change X and Y axis in Excel graph. To start, open the Excel file so you can see the chart to edit. Now, select the graph, right-click on it and click on Select Data. After that, click Edit. Here, clear the data from the Series X Values field. Click on the icon to select the data in column B in this case. Next, delete the data from the Series Y Values section. Next, select the data in column A. Finally, click OK. Click on OK again, and now you can see the modified graph. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.